If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Eastern Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Eastern Bank website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the list of pending transfers. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel by reviewing the details provided. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer you want to cancel. This will bring up more information about the transaction, including options for managing it. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the option to cancel the transfer. Click on it and confirm your choice when prompted. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Eastern Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.